So you got yourself a brand new Firestick, maybe as a Christmas present, and you're now wondering what's the quickest, easiest and safest way to fully load this device. Fully load it so you can then access all of your favorite content, your favorite movie apps, TV apps, live TV, sports. All of that content can be accessed on your new device 100% free. So how can we access that? Well, if you just press home on your new device, go over to search. Let's now type in the word downloader. So D-O-W, here we are. Let's click on that. It's this orange icon here. I can click on that again. And I now want to click on the install button. And this will install the application directly onto my device. And this is a great application. It basically is like a built-in browser where you can access different websites. And more importantly, you can download content through those websites. We can see mine is now installed. I can now click on open. Here I'm going to click on allow to give access. Let's click on OK. And here in this box here, we can now type in any URL like my website, tdoctoruk.com, or any address online. But you can also type in these secret codes, these short codes, which can then give you access to lots of different streaming applications, lots of different content. Now the code I have will take you directly to my website and allow you to download this custom application store. And through this application store, you can then access all of your favorite applications, utilities, tools, games. All of that content can be accessed through this single custom application store. Now the code for that is 729611. Let's type that in. 611 and click on go. And this will take you directly to that page. Now I do regularly update this page, so even if you're watching this video in January 2024 or sometime in the future, using the same code will take you back to this page where you'll always get the latest version of this custom application store. I can now scroll down. Here's the step-by-step instructions telling you how to enable the installation from unknown sources. We can follow the steps there. Underneath all of that, we will have a single link to download this store. So let's click on that now. Scroll down again, and I can now click on the green download button. And this will download the custom application store directly onto my device. Let's click on that now. Let's click on install. Give that a second. That's now all done. Now, before you open the application, we have to make one quick change just to give permission. So this application store, we can now install applications through that. Now, the quickest way to actually do that is to install something or try to install something through it, and then you'll automatically see the prompt asking you to give the permission. So let's test that now. Let's click on open. So this is your all-in-one application store, which will always have the latest applications. It's constantly kept up to date. And through this application store, you can then find all of your favorite applications. The only thing to mention is obviously streaming laws are different in different parts of the world. So what may be suitable for certain countries is definitely not suitable for another country. So just to make sure that I don't potentially cross any YouTube policies or violate any potential guidelines, I would just maybe focus on a couple of sections, like maybe essentials. Here, for example, we can see a file manager. We can see a media player called MX Player Pro. Let's click on download. I can now click on allow. That now starts the download. We'll give that a second, and we should then see that prompt asking us to give the permission to this application. So all I need to do now is click on settings. I can now click on install unknown apps. I now need to find the custom application store in the list. As you can see here, all I need to do now is press select, and this will automatically give the permission so we can now install applications through it. Once you've done that, let's now open up the custom application store again. Let's try to install that again. Click on install, and this time we see no errors, and the application has now been correctly installed. And there we get the prompt asking us, do you want to launch it? Let's click on done. But you can see, guys, if I go back, you can see the different sections for top applications, latest updates, entertainment. All of your favorite applications will be in these sections. You can just have a browse, find any application to try out, install it, and you can then go ahead and access all of your favorite content. The only thing I would suggest that if you are going to be accessing certain content from certain sources, it is advisable to use a VPN. That way nobody can see what you're doing online, particularly your ISP, your internet service provider can't track you. They can't monitor what you're downloading, what you're viewing, what you're streaming. All of that data is kept private on your device. Now, there is a special offer right now just for the holiday season where you can actually get $249 a month. So at that price point, to get total protection for unlimited devices, maximum speed, no logging, covers your Fire Sticks, your Windows PCs, your laptops, your Android TVs, all devices covered with that single license. This really is a very special price and something that I do think you guys, if you are in the market for a new VPN or if you're not happy with your current VPN, you should definitely check this out. Using my link does help support my channel. So if you do want to support me and my work, this really is the best way to do it. So really appreciate your support. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.